Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you would be fit and fine inside your homes. The world is facing the biggest challenge of COVID 19. It is putting life at stake, and in our UT of J&K, it is infection is increasing with an alarming pace. All the activities related to life are shut, educational institutions are shut, no medication is possible or vaccination is possible to kill this deadly virus. Still, we have to remain in home confinement, stick to the book so that we can defeat it in home isolation and also can prepare ourselves well for the coming examination that shall be taken by board in the month of November or December routinely or in a routine manner by reducing a meager part of the syllabus or considerable part of the syllabus. It is class 10 subject maths exercise 8.1 question number 6. You are watching a mathematical statement on the board. If A and B are acute angles such that cos A is equal to cos B, then show that angle A is equal to angle B. Dear students, in order to minimize the communication gap, I will solve this problem, mathematical question for you in Kashmiri language so that you will grasp the concept well in the end. यार स्टूडेंट मतलब को ए तो बी हसा acute angle पर इतकन एक triangle मजम acute angle cos A cos B is बराबर तो शो दिन साबित करित कि angle A है बराबर angle B is तो इन ये एक triangle for example in triangle लेवन बस A B to C A A B C triangle C टी throwns perpendicular side BC is back. So A B C triangle C dish perpendicular BC AB sides पे या तो perpendicular पे वहाँ से तात्च बना 90 तो मतलब A तिशात मुझे acute B तिशात मुझे acute angle को so angle 0 खर्च आसान ज़्यादा 90 खर्च आसान कम. Consider ABC is a triangle in which याथ मंज क्या छु CD is perpendicular AB. CD is perpendicular AB. याथ मंज ज right triangle. Actually AD to C backs CD to A. And अगर इसमें CD to A चाह right triangle backs CD to B. पर given हम थोमत cos A हसा बराबर cos B. यानी given cos A बराबर cos B. क्योंकि A मज कड़ गोड़ cos A. Cos बराबर बेस बटा परपेंडिकुलर एस बन ये परपेंडिकुलर बेस रोज ये तो ए डी हाइपोटेन्यूज रोज लॉन्गेस्ट साइड सो ए सी गो cos ए तेल बराबर ए डी डिवाइड बाय ए सी कट ट्रायंगल मज सी डी ते ए युसी बी सी डी बी ब्याक ट्रायंगल एम मज कट cos बी क्योंकि इस बीच अत बन डायरेक्ट साइड ये अपोजिट ये बन परपेंडिकुलर बेस रोज तेल बी डी hypotenuse रोज BC longest side क्योंकि cos A cos B is बराबर तो मतलब वो AD divided by AC या बराबर BD divided by BC सब पान में बराबर क्योंकि यमुक न्यूमरेटर यमुक AD divided by BD या बराबर AC divided by BC सपोज करियो कि AD divided by BD is equal to AC divided by BC is equal to X. हम थे बराबर X. इस घटना पर AD बटा BD थावन बराबर X. AD कहने बराबर X लग यस हजार बन XBD. इस घटना AC divided by BC as बराबर X. AC as बराबर X लग कस हजार XBC. का Which tell you see your can is right triangle, see your can is right triangle, she as like Pythagoras thought. Go in right triangle, coordinates was CDA, we have. At much as a perpendicular square plus base square hypotenuse square is barabar CD square plus AD square is equal to AC square. यहाँ goes only CD square thavan yeti apart AC square minus inimos body but minus AD square. By equation first. This back triangle से कुछ triangle से CD to B, CD to B. After लगी तो Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem को perpendicular square plus base square is equal to hypotenuse. Perpendicular CD को CD square plus base या BD को BD square is equal to hypotenuse square. Hypotenuse या BC square. CD square था उन ये थी अपार क्या रूट BC square इनिमोस would be minus BD square. ये गई equation second. तो ये जो अगर इस compare करो equation first second. CD square CD square. In the left hand side from CD square CD square. You're comparing first and second with AC square minus AD square as बराबर तिल का BC square minus BD square. जो कि AC तो वो AC का सिद्धांत बराबर इस सिद्धांत x BC इसको निम्न बात है कि x BC बैठ स्क्वायर AD का सिद्धांत बराबर इस सिद्धांत x BD बैठ स्क्वायर is equal to BC square minus BD square. जो कि x square कट was common otherwise BC square minus BD square is equal to BC square minus BD square. तो x square से बराबर ये गश निम्स डिवाइड तो x square बराबर 1 वो खाली x का था बराबर 1 और अच्छी ये पता कि AC divided by BC is equal to x. वो AC divided by BC is equal to x का बराबर 1 यहाँ मतलब वो AC to BC is बराबर AC to BC is बराबर तो उस AC to ये side BC to ये side यानी तेल सी निम्स side रहा equal side in opposite angles are equal. Therefore, angle A is equal to angle B. Dear students, question got solved for you. In case of any query, confusion after watching this video, you can call me on 700667106 or WhatsApp me on the same number. And when you post your query there, within short duration of time your query shall be answered. But before leaving class, I am advising you it's a technical subject to practice mathematics inside your home and remain in home isolation so that you can defeat the COVID-19 infection and can prepare yourselves well for the coming examination. Thanks. Be blessed.